Okay, keep your video on, Ishan and Galvit.
Yes, sir. Give me 2 minutes. Need to get the camera. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
So, just asking, you know who sent you the message, right?
Yeah, I know that. That's why I replied to you.
I,
Yeah. Why are you asking like that?
I forgot to mention my name.
Huh?
I forgot to mention my name.
No, but I mean, I know that that's you.
How do you know?
Because see, normally in class you keep sending me photos, pictures, right?
Yeah.
So I know that your profile picture is, I know your profile picture.
Oh, perfect. Right.
Garvit, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yes. So last class mein what did we do? Jivitesh.
So in the last class, we discussed about the common names, and then we discussed about the different types of a. I forgot the name.
बस इतने में ही.
Said that name is on the tongue tip, but I'm unable to pronounce it.
So we're discussing about nomenclature of compounds.
Nomenclature.
Like,
Okay.
I don't remember the word, but basically we're discussing how we give name to carbon compounds. Prefix, suffix, and primary prefix, secondary prefix, primary suffix, secondary suffix, and then the word root.
Good.
So we were doing the nomenclature. I think that's the word. I'm not sure.
You're not audible.
So nomenclature of basically.
Yes. Okay. So we were talking about naming, right? Naming is going on. So we also, so I told you any organic name consists of 5 parts, if you remember. The word root, then the primary suffix, then the secondary suffix, then the primary prefix, then the secondary prefix, right? Okay. I mean, don't reply now. I will ask you. Don't reply. Hidayah, tell me, what does the word root tells us? हाँ हाँ जीवितेश, दिखाई दे रहा है मुझे. रुको, सबर करो. इधर टाइप कर रहे हो क्या? 1 minute. ओके. ठीक है, ज्वाइन हो जाओ तब तक. जीवितेश, टेल मी.
So word root can be told as a main word through which we can derive the primary suffix, secondary suffix,
रुको
and then.
रुको, wait. What information do you get from the word root? That is my question.
Oh, sir, okay. Sir, so number of carbon atoms present.
ओके, इधर टाइप मत करो यार, सबको दिखता है वो। फिर से बोलना जिगिटेश।
Sir, number of carbon atoms present in a parent chain.
हाँ, गुड। ठीक है, नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स present in the parent chain. That parent chain word is very important. Okay, then we have primary suffix. Okay, Shivansh, tell me what information do you get from primary suffix?
Yeah, primary suffix, you get like the whether the compound is saturated or unsaturated. So if it's saturated, only single bonds. So the primary suffix is going to be in. If it's unsaturated, it can either be ene, which is a double bond, or ine, which is a triple bond.
Okay, fine. Then you have secondary suffix. This Ishan, secondary suffix, what is the information?
Then secondary surface, you get to know about the functional group. Like for example, for alcohol, it's OL, all small OL, and then for aldehydes, it is AL.
AL.
Yeah, AL.
ठीक है. Garvit, tell me what information from primary prefix?
Sir, it tells if the organic compound is cyclic or acyclic.
Cyclic or acyclic?
Yeah.
Achha. And then you have secondary prefix. ठीक है. Hriday, tell me secondary prefix से what information do you get?
Sir, could you repeat?
From secondary prefix, what information can you extract?
So I don't remember, sorry.
ठीक है. Check in your notes. Hriday, check your notes. Yeah, Shivansh, tell me what you get from secondary prefix. Did I discuss this first of all?
Yes, so you did. Secondary prefix.
Raise your hands. Those who know the answer, raise your hands. In Zoom. किसी को नहीं आता क्या?
Sir, I'm really not sure with the secondary
हाँ,
prefix.
गर्वित बोलो. हाथ कहाँ खड़ा किया जीवितेश तुमने? गर्वित.
Sir, we like type of kind of, I guess, name it using we name the substituent using secondary prefix. Like in
ठीक है.
the different ways we can write it.
So, like whatever he said is partially correct. Secondary prefix is for substituents. Write down everyone. Secondary prefix is for the substituent.
So we wrote that.
You wrote that?
We wrote that already.
Okay, fine. So we will see what are substituents. Okay.
So I don't think we discussed secondary prefix.
What
No,
did
we did, I guess.
No, sir. We didn't.
Exactly what
We did not complete it, I guess. It was the last topic.
This is exactly what we did. Everything.
I cannot see it, Shivans. It will be better if you take a picture and send.
Right. That's right. I mean, what we did discuss. Like we did the IUPAC name for each.
Okay. So
So then you gave us the question also. Write in different ways in which C5H12 can be written.
ठीक है, ठीक है, okay. So that means we have not discussed about the secondary prefix, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So first, I mean, I told you about it. It is used to name the substituent. Is that, have you all written down that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then then write down. I will talk about it now. Then write down IUPAC nomenclature for branched chain saturated hydrocarbons. IUPAC nomenclature for branched chain saturated hydrocarbon. IUPAC मतलब होता है इंटरनेशनल यूनियन ऑफ प्योर एंड अप्लाइड केमिस्ट्री, ठीक है, एक एसोसिएशन है. नोमेनक्लेचर मींस यू आर गिविंग नेम्स. ब्रांच चेन मतलब क्या होता है? डू यू रिमेंबर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ कंटीन्यूअस चेन, आई मीन, एंड अ ब्रांच चेन?
Yes, sir. It has like the chain is going on. It has different
branches. Yeah. For example, this is a straight chain. देखो, there are three terms. Okay, I want you to be clear with three terms. First term is continuous chain. Second is open chain. Third is closed chain. Fourth is branch chain. Sorry, continuous नहीं है, continuous छोड़ो, straight chain, open chain, closed chain and branch chain. ठीक है, ये चार, these are the four things related to chains. Okay, so the first thing that I want to discuss is straight chain. Straight chain का मतलब ये होता है कि all carbons are linked to each other, they form, this is an example of a straight chain. Did you understand? This is a straight chain. This is very easy to name. What will be the name of this?
Oh, heptane.
Heptane, right? It's simple, heptane. Straight chain we understand. Open chain मतलब क्या होता है? Open chain means there should not be any relation between between the first one and the last one के बीच कोई relation नहीं होना चाहिए. They should not be linked with each other. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
So this is the open chain also. This is straight chain as well as open chain. There is no relation between the first one and the last carbon. That is the meaning of an open chain. Then we have something called closed chain. Closed chain क्या होता है कि they are linked to each other. For example, this is an example of a closed chain.
So can you draw an open chain one time?
Can you draw?
Oh wait, so the thing you just drew, the straight chain, that's an
Yes.
open chain.
This is also an open chain. This is also a straight chain.
So are all straight chains open chains?
Yes.
Are all open chains straight chains?
No.
Okay. Because they could be branched also.
Yeah.
And sir, all closed chains are like cyclic.
All closed chains are cyclic. हाँ, एक ring तो बनना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
Right? I mean, closed chain means they are forming a ring. This is an example of a closed chain. And branch chain मतलब क्या होता है? देखो कि there are substituents. I mean, there is something which is coming out from the parent chain. देखो, for example, which is your parent chain here? See this example.
So this 4 carbon.
So you
chain.
can take, there are two parent chain possible. This can be your parent chain, or this can also be your parent chain. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Parent chain मतलब क्या होता है? Continuous carbon atom होना चाहिए. Continuous carbon atom. It need not be straight. It can be zigzag भी हो सकता है. समझ में आ रहा है? ऐसा नहीं कि it should be straight. It should be continuous. That's the requirement. Understood?
सर फिर तो मल्टीपल हो सर,
फिर तो
इससे भी ज्यादा हो सकता है ना पेरेंट चेन्स.
can you tell me another one here?
सर द बॉटम 3 एंड एक ऊपर वाला.
बॉटम थ्री
सर मतलब जो बीच में है।
एक काम करो, ड्रॉ करके मुझे भेजो, तो ग्रुप में भेजो, आई वांट टू सी.
यस सर.
Like guys, this is assignment for you all. Now draw whatever possible parent chain you can think of for this compound. Come on, and send it in a group. I want to see, I want to clear some of your doubts.
I didn't get it. And draw every possible parent chain as.
I mean, it's like, see, if you want to name any compound, what is the first thing that you do?
You see the word root.
No, you see, you decide the parent chain. That's the first step.
Yeah, so
हाँ बोलो.
the number of carbons in the parent chain is in the word root.
The word root, exactly. So first you need to decide which is your parent chain, right?
Yeah.
So first, that's what I'm saying. For this, tell me what are the different parent chains according to you that are possible. Parent chain मतलब continuous group of carbon atom होना चाहिए.
Yeah, so infinitely many.
In this compound, how can it be infinitely many?
Oh no, everything possible or only in this compound?
Only in this compound, man.
Oh, only in this compound, only one.
Are you sure one?
I mean, then there's C and then C that zigzag is.
Well, only 3 are possible.
Yeah, send it in the group. I want to see. I can recognize these two. If you can recognize any more, let me. I want to see. Send it in the group.
There are only those two.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Because the others are like branched.
Yeah.
So it's only those two.
They're waiting. Jitesh waiting for your third one.
Okay.
So wait, can't there be more?
Huh?
Or so can't there be like 4? I think.
Yeah, show me. Draw and show me. Give
No,
it the group.
3. Yes, sir. I'll just send it to you.
Good. One more is possible.
Yes, sir. That's the same thing I was saying. That
Yeah.
3 possible.
This is also possible.
So once.
This is also possible. Yes. So there are 3 possible. Okay. Good, Hidayah. So there are 3 possible, and you might be thinking ki which one you need to take. All 3 are same. I will tell you how. Okay, guys. All 3 are same. They are similar. I will let you know how. Okay. लेकिन अभी what we need to do is, okay. So you understood what is branch chain, right? Branch मतलब क्या है कि parent chain से there should be some substituents. If you take, let's say, blue color one को तुमने मान लिया है parent chain. So देखो, are you able to see some substituents? This is a CH3 group. This is not a part of the parent chain, right? You are able to get something which is not in the parent chain. Then it is known as, I mean, it is forming a branch chain. Are you able to understand, everyone? For example, in this case, this is your parent chain. Parent chain से बाहर निकल के कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा है. So this is your state chain. I hope it is clear, everyone. हाँ, वो भी हो सकता है. This is also possible. Okay.
So
Next.
we can just put it upside down like what Hriday and the other one.
मतलब maximum 4 carbon atom होना चाहिए. Whatever combination is possible, that will be your parent chain. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yeah, like the last 3 and the other branch.
It should be continuous. ठीक है? रुको. C. इधर एक कार्बन, इधर एक कार्बन. Okay. So can you take this as your parent chain, everyone?
No,
No, sir, you
No,
can't, sir.
sir.
no.
Why can't you take?
Because C and
It's
then
not
C
It's not
continuous.
continuous, exactly.
not continuous.
Yes, good, everyone. ठीक है, continuous होना चाहिए. Okay. So in that topic, IUPAC nomenclature for branch chain saturated hydrocarbon. Open your S-chand, everyone. Go to page number 215. If you don't have, I'm sending it in the group. Yes. Jivitesh, read the first point.
So what
Yes,
page
sir.
number?
Huh?
What page?
215. मैंने group में भेज दिया है. Jivitesh, the first point.
So one second, sir. Sir, have you sent it?
Yeah.
Sir, I haven't received it yet. Okay. First point. Sir, after IUPAC nomenclature for branching, that one.
हाँ, first point वही तो है और कहाँ पर है?
ठीक है, sorry. The longest chain of carbon atoms in the structure of the compound is found first. The compound is then named as a derivative of the alkaline hydrocarbon.
Alkane.
Okay. Alkyl hydrocarbon, which corresponds to the longest chain of the carbon atoms. This is called the parent hydrocarbon.
Okay.
The alkyl.
Wait. ठीक है? तो अभी देखो C. For example, you want to name this compound. ठीक है? So you need to decide the parent chain first. That is your first thing to do. तो parent chain कैसे decide करोगे? जैसे this is one possibility, है ना? This is one possibility, everyone. So let's say this is possibility में. So this is your parent chain. Let's say I have decided this is your parent chain. Then you have to give numbering. Numbers देना है. You have to count the number of carbon atoms. ठीक है? कोई भी एक end से start करना है. Either from the left hand side or from the right hand side. Which side you will start counting from? From the left or from the right? Come on. Who will tell me
Sorry
this?
to interrupt. Are you recording this meeting?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
What happened?
so I thought you weren't recording.
Huh?
So I thought you weren't recording.
क्या बोल रहा है ये?
I thought you weren't recording, so
Okay. I'm recording it. Okay. So you decided the parent chain. After you have decided the parent chain, what you have to do is you have to give numbers to the carbon atom. ठीक है? 1, 2, 3 ऐसे number देना. And you can start that from either end. I mean, left hand side or from the right hand side. इस case में क्या है? You can start from the left, for example, 1, 2, 3, or from the right, 1, 2, 3. Does not matter. In this case, does not matter. Let's say it was like this. Let's say the situation was like this. Everyone. Let's say the situation is like this. Let's say you want to name this. Concentrate on the screen, everyone. With a video off क्यों है? Important है, ठीक है?
सर नहीं है.
हाँ?
सर मैंने 2 अकाउंट से ज्वाइन किया है. एक I'm using only for audio.
Okay, ठीक है. So again, if you want to name this compound, so this is your parent chain. और भी ले सकते हैं parent chain, मैं बताऊंगा. Okay. Let's say you take this as your parent chain. So again, you have to start your numbering. ठीक है? So you can start from left or from the right. Here you will start from left or from the right. If you start from left, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. If you start from the right, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है? Now everyone, look here. Very important. I have decided my parent chain and I am giving numbers to the carbon atoms. ठीक है? Now you see which is the substituent, Ishan, which is the substituent?
So the carbon outside.
Yes, this is your substituent, right?
Yeah.
So this is located at which carbon? If you number it from the left hand side, कौन से carbon number?
Second
Number
one.
I will repeat my question. अगर लेफ्ट से नंबरिंग कर रहे हो 1 2 3 4 तो कौन से नंबर वाले कार्बन पे ये सब्स्टिट्यूएंट लगा हुआ है? दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन.
They're on the second one.
सेकंड कार्बन, राइट? एंड इफ यू स्टार्ट द नंबरिंग फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड, तब वो कौन से नंबर पे लगा हुआ है? कौन से कार्बन पे लगा हुआ है?
So third carbon.
थर्ड वन. सो ऑलवेज यू हैव टू गिव लेस नंबर टू द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. तो कौन सा, किस तरफ से नंबरिंग करोगे? लेफ्ट से कि राइट से?
From left.
यस.
So but in the green case, you have equal number of
इसीलिए
carbons.
कहीं से भी कर सकते हो, लेफ्ट से राइट से कहीं से भी कर सकते हो.
Okay.
समझ में आ गया? Your aim is to give less number possible to the substituent. The carbon which is bearing the substituent, उसको कम number मिलना चाहिए. Okay. And next point that I want to tell you is कि how are different parents. I told you one. Let's say. Okay. So again, let's do this. So carbon, 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 कार्बन. ठीक है? तो इसमें क्या करना है? लेट्स से आई डिसाइडेड दिस एज माय पेरेंट चेन. मान लो कि मैंने इसको पेरेंट चेन मान लिया है. एंड लेट्स से आई गिव नंबर्स टू दिस कार्बन एटम 1 2 3, राइट? सो द नेम ऑफ दिस गाय, एवरीवन, द नेम ऑफ दिस गाय विल बी समथिंग propane, right? Isn't it? Yes or no? Guys, I'm waiting for
Yes,
your
something propane, yeah.
समथिंग प्रोपेन, बिकॉज पेरेंट चेन में देखो 3 कार्बन एटम. इट इज नॉट समथिंग ब्यूटेन कि भाई टोटल ओवरऑल तो 4 कार्बन एटम है, कुछ ब्यूटेन होना चाहिए. नहीं. IUPAC नेम इज डिसाइडेड बाय द पेरेंट चेन. इन पेरेंट चेन देयर आर 3 कार्बन एटम, सो इट विल बी समथिंग प्रोपेन. ओके? सो द वर्ड रूट इज prop. What is the primary suffix? Primary suffix is saturated है कि unsaturated है पेरेंट चेन? देखो
Unsaturated.
Primary suffix is ane.
so it
Yeah.
will be. Is there a secondary suffix?
No.
So there is nothing. Is there a primary prefix?
Not really.
Not there, because it is not cyclic, right? And is there a secondary prefix?
The something you're going to add.
Sir, one more thing.
रुको, एक second रुको. So there is no primary prefix, but there is secondary prefix, because secondary prefix stands for substituent, right?
Yeah.
So here this is your substituent. Okay, this is your substituent. So our next task is to write down its name. Okay, so that something is actually this substituent. Understood, everyone? Garvit, tell me.
Sir, I was saying, you said it should, like, the primary suffix should be an. Shouldn't it be like yn, because the parent chain has the second number has double bonds. No, like,
Double bond.
oh, I thought nothing. I forgot it. I saw that carbon is like bonded 3 times. That's why.
Okay. Now, see here, everyone. Whenever, now coming to substituents. Okay, now coming to substituents. जब भी देखो ऐसे ऐसे मेन चेन लगा हुआ है, मान लो ऐसे मेन चेन, उसमें एक ऐसे सब्स्टिट्यूएंट लगा हुआ है, मान लो CH3. Everyone look here. I am going to ask you questions. Important चीज है, इधर ध्यान से देख लो. तो this C 4 कार्बन एटम हो गया, and this is your substituent, right? Whenever you have 1 carbon atom and 3 hydrogen atom as the substituent, CH3 group जब भी एक substituent है, then its name is methyl. Write down. It's known as methyl whenever it is acting as a substituent. देखो एक CH3 group is acting as a substituent, right? So it is named as methyl. इसका name methyl होता है.
So let's say the substituent is COOH.
COOH कैसे substituent हो सकता है? वो functional group है ना?
Oh yeah, no. Okay.
Okay. अभी मान लो कि like ये कैसे हम how we are getting its name is देखो simple है. If CH4 is methane, ठीक है? If CH4 is methane, CH3 अगर एक हाइड्रोजन हटा दिया मान लो, so then it becomes methyl. Like that we are getting the name. Are you able to understand? CH4 से एक हाइड्रोजन निकाल दिया तो that becomes methyl. Similarly अगर C2H6, what is the name of C2H6? Ethane. So then if you remove one hydrogen C2H5, then it will become ethyl.
Ethyl.
Correct? So these are the name of the substituents. ये देखो CH3 substituent है, CH4 एक compound है, दोनों के बीच difference समझो. C2H6 एक compound है.
alkyl groups, right?
हाँ?
ये alkyl groups का part है ना?
Yeah, these are known as alkyl groups. Alkyl groups. CH3, C2H5, C3H. क्या होना चाहिए? 2 to 4, 3 to 6. C3H8 होता है प्रोपेन, C3H7 होगा प्रोपाइन. ठीक है? So what is the name of the substituent now, everyone? What is the name of this substituent? Everyone should answer. What is this substituent? What is the name of this?
Methyl.
Methyl. Why are you guys not responding?
So I'm confused.
Sir, even I did not know.
Then then you can say something, right? If you're confused, let me know where are you confused.
No, so can you go down for a sec? Like when you scroll down, yeah. No, like a little more up. Yeah. C, and then there's a CH3 coming out from the second one, right? Yeah, and then you call that methyl.
हाँ, तो ये group निकल के आ रहा है ना बाहर, which is not part of the parent chain. So this is known as methyl. The substituent is known as methyl.
Yeah. So then why would the so now can you scroll up?
हाँ.
Yeah. Now why would the substituent on that one be methyl? It has to be CH3, right?
क्योंकि अबे C is linked to 3 hydrogens, no?
Oh.
I thought you know that.
Yeah. Okay. CH3. It's understood. Yeah.
It's understood. So I thought you know that. So CH3 is methyl, right?
Yeah, I forgot.
So it is methyl. Okay? So it's methyl propane. The name of this guy is methyl propane. Lekin there is one more twist.
Can't be in the same word.
Huh?
They can't be in the same word, right?
We can't.
Methyl and propane, they can't be in the same word.
Why?
I mean, they can't be one word. It has to be methyl space propane.
नहीं. वो ठीक है. I'm telling you that. Wait. Methyl plus propane ठीक है, बढ़िया है. लेकिन you also need to specify the number of the carbon atom on which the substituent is attached. Which is the carbon atom on which the substituent is attached? Everyone.
2.
It's 2. So the name of this compound is, देखो कैसे लिखना है, 2-methyl propane. This is the name of the compound. समझ में आ रहा है सब लोगों को?
Yes, sir. Now I understood.
And if you remember, I told you something. I told you that if you take different parent chain, you will get the same thing. I will explain you now. अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो, सेम गाय का तुम्हें नोमेनक्लेचर करना है, ठीक है? हृदय एक काम करना, यू टेक दिस एज योर पेरेंट चेन एंड नाम निकाल के बताओ मैं, अगर इफ यू टेक दिस एज योर पेरेंट चेन.
Yes, sir.
take this as the parent chain and tell me the name of the compound. And Ishan, take this as your parent chain and tell me the name of the compound. Do the same thing. First,
So bute is 3, right?
हाँ?
So bute 3 के लिए होता है ना?
Bute is for 4. Prop is for 3.
Oh, okay. So इसमें नंबरिंग कैसे करेंगे फिर?
नंबरिंग कोई भी एक एंड से स्टार्ट करना है. जैसे तुमने कोई भी एक एंड से स्टार्ट करो. जैसे इफ यू वांट टू नंबर दिस गाय, ओके, कोई भी एक एंड से 1 2 3 कंटिन्यूअस आना है तुम्हें, और 1 2 3. समझ में आया हृदय?
Yes, sir.
अब इन दिस केस बोथ नंबरिंग आर करेक्ट, क्योंकि दोनों में सेकंड कार्बन पे तुम्हें CH3 मिल रहा है, जो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट मिल रहा है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो टेल मी द नेम.
Sir, this will be the same 2-methyl propane.
करेक्ट. अभी सेम चीज ईशान इसके लिए करो. नंबरिंग ऐसे कर सकते हो 1 2 3, या इससे एंड से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो 1 2 3.
So it's gonna be the same thing.
Same thing.
Methyl propane.
Understood why I am telling parent chains are same here? Because same नाम आने वाला है. कोई भी parent chain ले लो. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, everyone do this. Write down this name of this guy. Come on. You can take any one as the parent chain, but it should be continuous, or सबसे ज़्यादा it should have maximum number of carbon atoms. That is the requirement. Sir, the substituent C is CH4. अबे substituent CH4 कैसे हो सकता है? CH4 is when all the valency are satisfied by hydrogen.
No, sir, I'm telling that the secondary prefix CH for methane. I was asking that, is it the substituent C, that thing? Because you wrote it as methyl, no, last time.
Okay, you understood, right? What is methane and methyl?
Sir, I understood that part.
Where is your doubt?
So if you can scroll up, I was asking the substituent C, which you have circled outside.
Huh.
Yeah, you can see in the first figure. So that is what? That's CH4?
That C is?
That C is CH4 or something.
C. ये वाले C की बात कर रहे हो ना तुम? This C की.
Yes, sir.
How can it be CH4? वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. एक वैलेंसी
Sir,
इधर.
what did it be like in
एक
this
बार सुन लो.
secondary?
Listen to me once. ये देखो CH4 में सारा वैलेंसी हाइड्रोजन के पास है. इधर क्या है? 1 वैलेंसी विद दिस कार्बन, तो 3 हाइड्रोजन है इसके पास. तो इसीलिए this is CH3. This is your substituent. CH4 is a compound. CH3 is a substituent. अब बोलो.
Okay. Oh, I was asking that only. Like, what is that thing?
हाँ, इसका नाम आ गया क्या? Send in your group में भेजो. I want to see everyone.
Yes, sir.
एवरीवन देखो, जब भी IUPAC नेम स्टार्ट होता है, पहला लेटर शुड बी ऑलवेज कैपिटल. हृदय, तुमने क्या भेजा है? 2 मिथाइल ब्यूटेन. सो वो M हमेशा कैपिटल होना चाहिए. बी केयरफुल. करेक्ट. तो अभी देखो, इट इज गोइंग टू बी 2 मिथाइल ब्यूटेन. सिंपल है. पहले पेरेंट चेन डिसाइड करना है तुमको. सो दिस इज योर पेरेंट चेन एंड स्टार्ट नंबरिंग. अब नंबरिंग कौन से एंड से करोगे? दैट हाउ विल यू डिसाइड? जैसे पहले लेट्स से स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 1 2 3 4 एंड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड 1 2 3 4। अभी देखो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट जो है, ये जो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है वो कौन से कार्बन को अटैच्ड है? देखो इफ यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट 2 में है और राइट टू लेफ्ट में 3 में है, तो कम नंबर देना है। सो दिस इज करेक्ट। अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
दिस नंबरिंग इज करेक्ट। अभी सिंपल है, पहले पेरेंट चेन में कितने कार्बन एटम है देख लो। सो दैट्स व्हाई द वर्ड रूट विल बी ब्यूट। सब ऑल आर सिंगल बॉन्ड, एन होगा। एंड उससे पहले व्हाट इज द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट? सब्स्टिट्यूएंट इज मिथाइल। और मिथाइल के पहले कौन से नंबर पर है वो? सेकंड कार्बन पे। तो 2 मिथाइल कैपिटल होगा, 2 मिथाइल ब्यूटेन इज द आंसर। 2 मिथाइल ब्यूटेन।
Okay, sir.
देखो नंबर के बाद एक हाइफन देना है, नंबर और लेटर के बीच एक हाइफन होना चाहिए। 2 methyl butane and there should not be any gap. Correct. Vidya, correct answer. Ishan, just make it capital M, that's it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have sent my work.
Now do it for this.
Sir,
हाँ,
तो इस हिसाब से it can never be one methyl butane.
हाँ, क्यों? देखो क्योंकि
सर क्योंकि वो continuous है.
रुको, so your question is it can never be one methyl butane, right?
Yes, sir.
That because it will become pentane. समझ में आ रहा है? This will be your parent chain.
It'll be continuous.
हाँ सर, तो वो continuous ही रहेगा.
So this will become pentane. समझ में आ रहा है? Substituent कब होता है? Substituent is only when there is branching. There is no branching here. This is continuous. I hope
Yes,
you
sir,
understood.
understood.
अभी इसका नोमेनक्लेचर बताओ जीवितेश। दो बिटवीन द नंबर 2 एंड मिथाइल एक हाइफन आना चाहिए।
Oh, okay.
और जो फर्स्ट लेटर है दैट शुड बी ऑलवेज कैपिटल।
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
So when there are 5 carbon atoms,
You're not
the
audible. You're not audible.
so when there are 5 carbon atoms in the parent chain,
हाँ,
the word root will be
पेंट।
pent.
हाँ,
Okay.
And bent aim, right?
pentane. Yeah, I mean word root is pent if there are 5 carbon atoms in the parent chain. Remember that.
Yeah.
Then it will be pent, and if all are single bond, then ane.
This is like, what are you asking?
I mean, I did not ask anything.
Oh,
I'm asking you the name of this.
Sir, it's a 2-methyl propane.
2 methyl propane. देखो थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया। There are 2 substituents now. Are you able to see?
So it will be CH3 and CH3. So it will be,
It will be dimethyl.
yes,
Oh.
dimethyl.
Okay, so वो मैंने नहीं बताया है, ठीक है, मैं बताऊंगा अभी, रुको। So what you have to do, पहले फिर से parent chain decide करो। Parent chain कोई भी decide कर लो। I mean, you can take this as your parent chain. You can also take this as your parent chain. उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। That's what I'm saying. मैंने ये decide करता हूँ मैं। Easy है, ठीक है? तो I decided this is my parent chain और right hand side से start करो, left hand side, ठीक है? Left hand side से start करो। 1 2 3 और मान लो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से स्टार्ट किया, तो उससे व्हाट आर द नंबर्स दैट द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट? देयर आर 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स नाउ एवरीवन, आर यू एबल टू सी?
Yes, sir.
There are 2 substituents and both are getting number 2 if you're going from left hand side. If you go from right hand side, again 1 2 3, both are getting 2 2, so you go from anywhere, same answer आने वाला। So let's say I'm going from left, okay, मैं लेफ्ट से जा रहा हूँ। So in the parent chain, how many carbon atoms are there? 3. So the word root will be prop. and ane is the primary suffix because single bond है. Abhi, since there are two similar substituents, ठीक है? So what you need to do is, पहले तो it's going to be dimethyl. This di will tell you that there are two methyl groups. Understood? And दोनों का पोजीशन तुम्हें बताना है. Both are located at the second carbon, इसलिए ऐसे लिखना है 2,2 dimethyl, ऐसे लिखना है 2,2. That comma is for, I mean comma इसलिए है ताकि दोनों नंबर के बीच गैप आ सके. So the name will be 2,2 dimethyl propane. This is the name.
Okay, sir, understood.
Everyone understood? If you have any doubt, ask me.
Sir, could you explain comma क्यों लगा है?
देखो कॉमा इसलिए लगा है बिकॉज देयर आर टू सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स और दोनों सब्स्टिट्यूएंट क्या है. अभी इस केस में क्या हो गया कि सेम कार्बन पे, अभी इस केस में वी आर लकी. लेकिन मान लो कि अलग अलग कार्बन में होते हैं, जैसे ये हो गया सी 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 ऐसे मान लो सी ऐसे, और एक सब्स्टिट्यूएंट यहाँ पे है, एक सब्स्टिट्यूएंट यहाँ पे है. तब व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू टेल कि कौन से पोजीशन पे सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है. तो तब क्या होता है 2,4 डाइमिथाइल, इसका नाम होता है 2,4 डाइमिथाइल पेंटेन. समझ में आ रहा है? दिस नंबर इज टू टेल, दिस नंबर इज टू टेल यू दैट कि सब्स्टिट्यूएंट वो है कहां पे, कौन से कार्बन पे. एंड सिंस देयर आर टू सब्स्टिट्यूएंट्स नाउ, इसीलिए मैंने 2,2 लिखा है ताकि दोनों का नंबर पता चल सके. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
So can you give one more?
एग्जांपल?
No, like a problem. Solve.
हाँ ठीक है, सॉल्व करने के लिए ना. हाँ ये करो. Nice answer, Shivansh.
So I messed it up. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So what went wrong?
Huh?
What went wrong?
The first step. And I mean, we don't use what is quadropentane? What is that?
I
What
know
is this?
that word on each side. That's what I thought. Hmm.
सर
हाँ
इस केस में दो है, एक मिथाइलिन और एक मिथाइल है. तो
रिपीट.
Oh, that's
सर इस केस में आई एम गेटिंग मिथाइलिन एंड मिथाइल.
हाँ.
तो हाउ डू आई राइट उसको?
ओके. लाइक करेक्ट आंसर भेजो, अभी जहां तक पहुंचा है वो भेजो, ग्रुप में भेजो, मेरे को देखना है.
Yes, sir. सर इसमें आवाज देता
हम्म
सर एक सेकंड
हम्म हम्म तुमने फर्स्ट स्टेप तो करेक्ट किया है। अभी क्या करना है देखो, फोर्थ कार्बन पे दो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट लगा हुआ है तो उनको नेम कर दो, एक इथाइल है एक मिथाइल है।
So diethyl pentane.
Diethyl pentane. Okay, I want to see how you decided your parent chain. Send your answer. Yeah,
सर तो where's the methyl?
there is methyl.
Oh, okay.
4, 4 methyl ethyl heptane. Yes, Ishan, correct. I mean, you have tried your best. Whatever information was given to you, this is the most accurate answer possible. But this is not correct. I mean, some information I'm going to give you.
Sir, is it dimethyl heptane?
डाइमिथाइल कैसे आएगा? सेंड मी द आंसर, मुझे देख के पता चल जाएगा कि पेरेंट चेन कौन सा सिलेक्ट किया है। आंसर
So
दो।
I didn't see the last C. I didn't see the last C. I mean,
पेरेंट चेन डिसाइड करो अच्छे से। ठीक है, सब लोग देखो, पेरेंट चेन मतलब होना चाहिए कंटिन्यूअस और मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम। तो अगर ये डिसाइड कर रहे हो तो देखो इसमें कितना कार्बन एटम है?
5.
1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 5 है, ठीक है। एंड इफ यू आर चूजिंग दिस एज योर पेरेंट चेन, इसमें कितना कार्बन एटम है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। एंड if you are choosing this as your parent chain, तो कितना कार्बन एटम है? 1 2 3 4 5 6। और कोई पॉसिबल है क्या? ठीक है, और कुछ ले लो, जैसे ये, उसमें कितना है? ग्रीन वाले में 1 2 3 4 5। Which one you will take?
so the one with 7.
The one with 7, exactly. Okay, so if you take the one with 7, so बाकी सबको, everyone look here, बात देख लो। I'm taking the orange one as my parent chain. Everyone, so your parent chain will be, this is your parent chain. अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज योर काउंटिंग। ठीक है, काउंटिंग यहां से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं मैं, देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, ये एक वे है। और मैं यहां से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। सो बोथ आर करेक्ट। आर यू एबल टू सी दैट? बिकॉज इन बोथ केसेस, ये देखो जो भी सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है, बोथ आर गेटिंग नंबर 4। आर यू एबल टू सी एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो कहीं से भी करो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। ओके, नाउ द नेम ऑफ द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट, नेम ऑफ द सब्स्टिट्यूएंट क्या है? देखो ये है इथाइल, ये है मिथाइल।
Yeah.
एंड नाउ whenever you have different substituents, right, you need to write this down. First listen to me. Whenever you have different substituents, they are arranged according to their alphabetical order.
So first
Whenever
would
they
be
are,
ethyl.
हाँ,
First would be ethyl, then methyl.
yes, तो फर्स्ट इथाइल आना चाहिए, फिर मिथाइल आएगा। ठीक है, तो इसका नाम क्या होगा? देखो 4 इथाइल 4 मिथाइल हेप्टेन। Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
देखो अगर दोनों जगह अगर मान लो ये कार्बन नहीं होता एवरीवन, तो इसका नाम क्या होता? 4,4 डाइमिथाइल हेप्टेन। समझ में आ रहा है? लेकिन
Yes,
वी
sir.
हैव ए इथाइल ग्रुप हियर, तो वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल।
So can you give one more like this?
Which part?
No, can you give one more?
One more, ठीक है रुको। Yeah, do this. करेक्ट आंसर बताया तो पार्टी मिलेगा, ऑफलाइन आओगे तो। ईशान गड़बड़ हो गया थोड़ा सा, बस थोड़ा सा, एक नंबर की वजह से। नहीं, that's not ईशान, that's शिवांश। Okay, शिवांश। Due to one number, you missed out the party. हाँ, हृदय भी सेम। ओके, ठीक है। तो इसका क्या नाम होगा? एवरीवन लुक हियर।
Sir, I sent on the group.
हाँ, रुको एक सेकंड। भाई गलत है ना। लाइक आफ्टर डाइक हाउ कैन यू पुट ए नंबर? नंबर हमेशा डाई के पहले आता है। लाइक नाम के बीच में नंबर कैसे आ रहा है? Swap the numbers. Still won't change much. जीवितेश 2,2 डाइमिथाइल नहीं। तो देखो everyone, this is your parent chain, yes or no?
So I sent something. Is it fine? Instead of a plus, it should be a dash.
नहीं, some issues. So 5 डाइमिथाइल 2 मिथाइल हेक्सेन नहीं। रुको, अभी सब लोग देखो यहाँ पे। This is your parent chain, yes or no? Everyone got the parent chain?
Hexane.
ठीक है, तो give numbers. If you give from here 1 2 3 4 5 6, if you give from here 1 2 3 5 6, which one you will decide, left to right or right to left?
First, I decided left to right.
I mean, see here, Roman numeral 1 or Roman numeral 2?
1, right?
Why?
Preference.
Huh?
Wait. Should it be 2 dimethyl, 2 methyl hexane? No.
No, my question is why 1? Roman numeral 1, why not 2?
So because the
Because
double bond had like the dimethyl, it had to have the least number possible. So 2.
Okay, so see what you need to do is, देखो, consider them as substituents. ये एक substituent है, ये एक substituent है, ये एक substituent है, ठीक है? There are 3 substituents, everyone. So give, I mean, if you give numbers to them, if you follow this Roman numeral 1, what will be the number? It will be 2, 2, 5. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
The number on the methyl groups. Everyone, it will be 2, 2, 5 if you follow Roman numeral 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and if you follow Roman numeral 2, what will be the number? 2, 5, 5, everyone.
Yes.
तो
Yes.
इसीलिए सबसे कम नंबर वाला लेना है, फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस. देखो यहाँ पे 2 2 सेम है, ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 2 छोटा हो गया ना, तो इसको प्रेफर करना है.
Oh, okay, sir. Understood the mistake.
तो इसीलिए फर्स्ट, दिस इज योर पेरेंट चेन, फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट इज योर पेरेंट चेन. ओके, अभी देखो इसका नाम क्या होगा. सो द वर्ड रूट इज गोइंग टू बी हेक्स, सब सिंगल बॉन्ड है प्लस एन. And how many methyl groups are there? There are 3 methyl groups. So the name will be 2, 2, 5 trimethyl hexane.
Oh, sir. Okay, I forgot to put 5.
So why is
Sir,
it
I understood.
trimethyl? I didn't get this one.
Repeat.
Why is it trimethyl? I didn't get this part.
Because there are 3 similar methyl groups. एक methyl group और एक methyl group. उनका नंबर बता दिया मैंने. एक सेकंड कार्बन पे है, दूसरा भी सेकंड कार्बन पे है, तीसरा 5वें कार्बन पे है. So 2, 2, 5 trimethyl hexane.
So let's say you go by Roman numeral 1.
Repeat.
Let's say you go by Roman numeral 1.
I am going by Roman numeral 1.
No, so let's say you go like that. Like
Okay.
at the second position, there's a dimethyl, right?
There are 2 methyl groups. That is
Yes,
dimethyl. That is dimethyl when you don't have a methyl group there.
Oh,
Then it is dimethyl.
okay. And if there's another methyl group, then it becomes trimethyl.
Trimethyl.
Right. Okay. Got it. So 1.
नहीं भाई, पूरा क्लास निकल जाएगा.
So this one.
It is fun. I will give you as homework. Not during class. I have some targets also. Okay. Then next, write down naming of unsaturated hydrocarbon containing a double bond. डबल बॉन्ड, ठीक है. डबल बॉन्ड्स को कैसे नेम करना है देख लो एक बार. सिंपल है. For example, you want to name this guy. ठीक है. For example, you want to name this guy. Again, same thing, parent chain decide करो. और listen to my statement very carefully. ये जो मैं statement बोल रहा हूँ. Whenever you have double bond, guys, listen to me. Whenever you have double bond in the parent, I mean double bond in the compound, that double bond should be there in the parent chain. For example, So see here, everyone. Here you might be thinking, why can't we take this as my parent chain? I can take this as my parent chain, right? Can we take this as the parent chain?
No, because it doesn't have a double bond.
यस तो इसमें कलर देखो, ये जो ब्लू कलर में इतने कितने कार्बन एटम है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। और एक कार्बन बढ़ा देता हूँ यहाँ, रुको, तब मजा आएगा।
But
अभी कितना है देखो, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। एंड आई एम शोइंग यू वन मोर पेरेंट चेन। लुक एट दिस पेरेंट चेन, इसमें कितने कार्बन एटम है बताओ?
so that has 9.
It has also has 9. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so which one you are going to choose?
Red one.
The red
So
one.
the red one
समझ
because
में आ रहा
of double bond.
है? जब भी डबल बॉन्ड है तो डबल बॉन्ड पेरेंट चेन में आना ही आना चाहिए। अभी नेसेसरी नहीं है कि मैक्सिमम कार्बन एटम वाला, अभी मुझे चाहिए डबल बॉन्ड पेरेंट चेन। अंडरस्टूड? ओके, सो दिस, तो ये तो एग्जांपल के लिए था, ये बाद में देखेंगे, इतना हेवी से स्टार्ट नहीं करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए सिंपल वन। ओके, सो let's say this C double bond C. So this is, let's say I want to name this guy. So what you need to do, parent chain decide करो। अभी parent chain, this is my parent chain. Is there any issues with that? No, right? This is my parent chain. Again numbering start करो। Numbering में क्या होना चाहिए? Double bond, जो भी double bonded carbon है, listen to me. So let's say I'm starting from left to right. So this carbon will get 1 2 3 4, है ना? So देखो, this carbon is forming the double bond, this carbon is forming the double bond, right? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
ये वाला कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड बन रहा है, ये वाला कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड बन रहा है। तो पहला कार्बन में कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? दूसरा आ रहा है ना, इट इज गेटिंग ए नंबर 2। So you need to consider that 2. That means the double bonded carbon is getting number 2, 3. 2, 3 मिल रहा है, 2 और 3, right? If you go from left to right, and if you come from right to left, कौन सा नंबर मिलेगा? 1 2 3 4। Still we are getting 2 and 3, right, on the double bonded carbon.
So but won't it be 3, 2?
कैसे? Because if you come
Oh,
from
no.
here, पहले कौन सा आ रहा है? दूसरा आ रहा है ना।
Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah.
पहले दूसरा आ रहा है, फिर तीसरा आ रहा है। सो इट विल स्टिल बी 2, 3। तो इसीलिए दोनों में से कोई भी केस ले सकते हो, कहीं से भी नंबरिंग कर सकते हो, ठीक है? सो लेट्स टेक दिस एज आवर चेन। तो अभी क्या करना है? सिंपल, व्हाट इज द वर्ड रूट?
So 2, 3.
रुको रुको, वर्ड रूट बताओ। व्हाट इज द वर्ड रूट गाइस? वर्ड रूट इज ब्यूट, ठीक है? एंड wait, it's not butene, it's not butene, okay? And tell me the, अब देखो दूसरे और तीसरे पोजीशन पे there is a double bond, I mean 2 and 3 are forming the double bonds, right? So उनमें से lowest
Yes.
number, 2 और 3 में lowest number लेना है, which is 2, okay? So but 2ene,
Butene, yeah. We did this last class.
so this is but 2ene। छोटा वाला नंबर लेना है out of 2 and 3, it's not but 3ene, okay? Be careful, it's but 2ene। Do this। Time till 7:45.
Sir, in the last example you gave, I did not get one part.
Which example?
The butene one.
हाँ बोलो.
So how did we get that 2 in the middle? Can you once explain?
That 2 is to tell the position of the double bond. ठीक है? तो अभी तुमने क्या कर लिया? Word root ब्यूट डिसाइड कर लिया है. उसके बाद
Yeah.
चेक अब कौन से अब देखो ये वाला कार्बन और ये वाला कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड बना रहा है ना. तो उन दोनों कार्बन एटम का नंबर देखो अकॉर्डिंग टू जो तुमने नंबरिंग किया है. 2,3 है तो लोएस्ट जो नंबर है उसको बीच में लिख देना, फिर लिखना इन.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Sir, so the compound which you gave, will it be prop 3A?
टॉप 3n कब दिया भाई?
So मैंने भेज दिया.
ओके.
Send me.
गर्वित बोल रहा हूँ. हृदय थोड़ा सा एक बहुत क्लोज है लेकिन गलती हो गया.
So किधर?
आई मीन नंबरिंग में गलती हुआ है तुमसे.
Okay. Sir आप?
एक सेकंड रुको. अभी करेक्ट है. हृदय अभी करेक्ट है.
So the one I sent.
Okay.
Yeah, you have, I mean, 2 answers, one of which is correct. Again, see, when you write dimethyl, you have to write 4,4 or 2,2. You have not written them.
So other places.
Huh?
Other places apart from that.
Yeah, other places it's correct. Okay, so the numbering will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be your numbering because double bond should get more priority. Okay. तो it will be, the word root will be pent. फिर क्या होगा, देखो दूसरा कार्बन पे पहले आ रहा है डबल बॉन्ड, 2 इन, अभी सब्स्टिट्यूएंट देखो 4,4 डाइमिथाइल, pent 2 इन. Is this what you got everyone? ये आंसर होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir. Good.
इसका नाम बोलना मेरे को. सी
Sir, I did not get the methyl part. I got the pent-2-in part.
तो मिथाइल ये सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है ना, 2 सब्स्टिट्यूएंट है, इसीलिए 4,4
that I
डाइमिथाइल.
did not write it.
ओके, इसका नाम बोलना मेरे को. What is the name of
Rules
this?
for the triple bond are the same, right?
हाँ,
The rules for triple bond are the same, right?
या मल्टीपल बॉन्ड्स के लिए सेम रूल.
सर बोलू
Propine.
हाँ,
बोलू
नहीं, लिख के भेजो.
So for 3 bounded carbon also we have to do same as 2 bond.
हाँ, नहीं, करेक्ट नहीं है, करेक्ट नहीं है. ठीक है, करेक्ट नहीं है. देखो लो वाले कार्बन को मिलना चाहिए नंबर.
So it's anti-bond.
हाँ, करेक्ट है. कैपिटल होना चाहिए. हाइफन कहाँ है शिवांश? प्रोपाइन P should be capital and 1 it should be in hyphen, not in brackets.
Oh. So wait, isn't prop 1-ine the same as propine? I mean,
Yeah, the same thing. Yeah.
yeah, so then why do I need to put hyphens?
No, I mean you, in earlier cases also you are doing the same mistake.
Oh, okay. Yeah, right.
Okay, it's going to be propine. देखो नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करो, इस एंड से स्टार्ट होगा 1 2 3. तो देयर आर 3 कार्बन एटम प्रॉप, और फर्स्ट कार्बन पे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड स्टार्ट हुआ है तो 1, और सिंस ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है आइन, सिंपल, सो इट इज प्रोपाइन. प्रॉप 1 आइन या प्रोपाइन. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, राइट डाउन एवरीवन आइसोमर्स. तो लिखना उसमें सेम फॉर्मूला डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर्स. Compounds having the same formula but different structures are known as isomers of each other.
Same structure but different formulas.
Same formula, different structure.
Oh.
Compounds having the same formula, different structure are known as isomers of each other.
So what's the difference between allotropes and isomers?
Allotropes are for elements. Isomers are for organic compounds. And write down, to show isomerism, minimum you need 4 carbon atoms. That is for alkanes. ठीक है, alkanes की बात कर रहा हूँ. For alkanes to show isomerism, you need minimum 4 carbon atoms. Why? I will see here. देखो, let's say the number of carbon atoms is 1. So what is the alkane who have one carbon atom. What is the name of it? What is the name of the alkane having one carbon atom?
Say methane.
यार तुम लोग को ये भी नहीं आता क्या? दिमाग मतलब इतना पढ़ाने के बाद भी अगर ये नहीं बोल पा रहे हो, अच्छी बात नहीं है, ठीक है?
Sir,
ठीक है, तो मीथेन, अब देखो, कैन यू, मीथेन का फॉर्मूला है CH4, मीथेन का एक ही स्ट्रक्चर पॉसिबल है, और कोई स्ट्रक्चर बना के दिखाओ, इज इट पॉसिबल?
No.
ठीक है,
No, sir.
फिर इथेन का देख लो, इथेन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? C2H6 है ना?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो इथेन का ये स्ट्रक्चर है, और कोई स्ट्रक्चर बना के दिखा दो, सेम फॉर्मूला होना चाहिए, इज इट पॉसिबल?
No.
No, sir.
और
No.
प्रोपेन का देख लो, C3H क्या होगा? 8 होगा, CCCHHH, कोई स्ट्रक्चर बना के दिखाओ, और एक स्ट्रक्चर, डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए, सेम फॉर्मूला होना चाहिए, C3H बना के दिखाओ, इज इट पॉसिबल?
Sir, I guess, yeah.
हाँ,
Sir, I guess.
Oh, same.
if you think, then draw and send it in a group, I want to see.
Sir, if you change the arrangement also, then also it will be same.
अरे
Sir, I sent one.
हाँ, रुको, देखो, what you have sent is, देखो ये और ये सेम चीज है यार, देखो ये, दिस इज योर पेरेंट चेन, दिस इज योर पेरेंट चेन, सेम चीज है वो, हाउ इज द स्ट्रक्चर डिफरेंट?
So sorry, I thought different arrangement.
नहीं नहीं, ये सेम ही चीज है, आई मीन हाउ आर दे डिफरेंट?
Okay.
आई मीन ये भी स्ट्रेट ही है ना, लेकिन आई मीन ये थोड़ा ऐसे लिख दिया है मैंने, स्ट्रेट ही है वो,
Okay, fine.
ठीक है? लेकिन ब्यूटेन के लिए देखो, ब्यूटेन के लिए हाउ मेनी स्ट्रक्चर्स कैन यू थिंक ऑफ ब्यूटेन के लिए? कम ऑन एवरीवन, show me the different structures of butane, is it possible first of all?
Yes, I think.
इधर दोनों सेम है, देखो ध्यान से देखो, दोनों सेम है। See, if you want to check whether the two compounds that you have drawn are same or not, उनका IUPAC नाम निकाल कर देखो, find out their IUPAC name. If the name is same, that means the compounds are same. Everyone write down, if you want to check whether two structures that you have drawn, if it is different or not, then they should have different names. वेदर दोनों का नाम निकाल के देखो, सेम आएगा, देखना।
सर आ गया।
दिस इज वन स्ट्रक्चर, करेक्ट। और एक कौन सा है? गर्वित, आई एम रिप्लाइंग टू गर्वित। There is one more structure.
So one more I made, should I send that?
Huh? There are two structures of butane. Same formula, but the structure, the name will be different for both of them. हाँ.
जो गर्भवती ने भेजा है वो ब्यूटेन का कैसा है?
Sir, I send the other one also.
हाँ, दोनों करेक्ट है. और ये मुझे बताओ, हृदय बोलो.
So मैं पूछ रहा था जो फर्स्ट वाला भेजा गर्भवती ने, how is it butane?
That's not butane, right?
That's not butane, but the formula is same. I don't want butane. I want the formula to be same.
Okay.
What are isomers? Same formula, but different structure. So the two structures are, देखो, एक तो ये होगा, सब straight chain में लगे हुए हैं, और एक होगा.
So they are arranged like a parallel to each other.
ये दोनों होगा. इसका नाम है ब्यूटेन, इसका नाम है 2-मिथाइल प्रोपेन. देखो दोनों का अलग अलग नाम है और फॉर्मूला सेम है. देख लो, हाइड्रोजन एटम इधर 3 है, 4 5 6 7, इधर 8 9 10. यहाँ पे है 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. दोनों का फॉर्मूला है C4H10. ध्यान से देखो, फॉर्मूला सेम है लेकिन स्ट्रक्चर अलग है. अलग इन द सेंस both name are different. So these are isomers. So write down homework. Draw the isomers for pentane and hexane. Pentane and hexane, and you need to do, I'm sending you some pictures. Yes, Jivitesh, correct. एक मिल गया है और एक straight chain बना है, ठीक है? चारों continuous तरीके से लगे हैं. And I'm sending you pictures. You have to do that.
So we have to do the MCQs.
Yeah, only the MCQs. ठीक है? MCQs करके आना. That is question number 40 to 59.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and Shivansh has one doubt. If you want to listen to that, you can stay back. Yeah, to ask. Okay, Shivansh. So, for example, if I want to balance this reaction, okay, CrOH4 minus plus H2O2, CrO4 2 minus plus H2. And they are saying this is in basic medium. You understand the meaning of basic medium? That means there are availability of OH minus ions. And your question was, why are we adding H2O, right?
Yeah.
Because, देखो, so you gave me one PDF. I'm putting a dot reply to that. Open that PDF in your phone. I have replied a dot. Open that particular page. Okay, open.
So one. Yeah, I got the dot.
हाँ, तो उसमें पहला चीज देखो, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर ऑफ ईच एटम, ये समझ में आ गया.
Yeah.
दूसरा चीज, आइडेंटिफाई द एटम्स, ठीक है. तीसरा चीज, इंक्रीज एंड डिक्रीज. चौथा, increase and decrease reactant, balance the number of CR atom. ये भी समझ में आ गया. As the reaction occurs in the basic medium and the ionic charges are not equal, add 2. Why did they add OH minus? Did you understand?
Why I didn't get Y2.
Why?
Y2.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So see this reaction.
And why on the reactant side?
Why are?
Why on the reactant side?
Okay, wait. Minus plus 3H2O2, 2CrO4, 2 minus plus H2. So whenever you have a redox reaction, these are known as redox reaction. मतलब जहाँ पे oxidation और reduction दोनों हो रहा है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
So whenever you have redox reactions, there are two things that are required. First is mass balance होना चाहिए, दूसरा is charge balance होना चाहिए. This is sufficient, right? I mean, this is required. Mass तो balance होना ही चाहिए, charge भी balance होना चाहिए.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what is the charge in the left hand side?
The charge on the left hand side, since it's minus 2 minus 1 and H2O2. Minus 2, right?
It's minus 2 because यहाँ पे negative charge है और 2 moles है. So it's going to be minus 2. I mean,
and H2O2 is 0.
H2O2 is 0. And here, what is the charge?
Minus 4, actually.
Minus 4. So do you understand now why I am adding OH minus 2 molecules on the left hand side?
Okay, got it.
To equate the charge. Understood? That thing is clear. Now you check whether the atoms are, I mean, whether there is mass balance or not. Mass balance है कि नहीं? देखो chromium के कितने atoms है? देखो left hand side में.
2.
2. And right hand side में there are 2. Chromium is balanced.
Yeah.
What about hydrogen? How many hydrogens are there on the left hand side? 8 plus 6.
So this is where I got confused.
Huh.
In OH minus, are you counting the hydrogen that's in OH minus or not?
1 second. हाँ, फिर से बोलो.
That thing is that 2 OH minus, which you just counted. Are you counting the hydrogen that's there or not?
Yeah, it is. I mean, the charge is on. Abbe bhai, the charge is on the whole molecule. The H is the atom. Why will you not consider?
Okay, fine.
So how many hydrogen atoms are there on the left hand side? There are 4 into 2, 8 plus 6 plus 2.
16, right?
Yeah, there are 16. 16 hydrogen atoms. And how many on the right hand side?
2.
Just 2. Just 2.
Oh, then you just put an 8 there. Yeah.
Okay. And how many oxygen atoms are there on the left hand side? See here. 4, 8. Right?
Yeah.
8 plus 6 plus 2. Again, 16. And how many oxygen here? 8. No. 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9. There are 9 oxygen and 2 hydrogen. Right?
Yeah, so just put an 8 in front of the H2O.
So if you put here 8 H2O, so it will become 16.
Yeah, 8 oxygen. 8 oxygen, that makes 16. And hydrogen will also be 16 because 8 into 2, 16.
Correct?
Yeah.
And do you know why I am adding water? Because if you add water, देखो normally सारे reaction water as a solvent use करके होता है. So you can afford to add water. And if you add water, it is not disturbing the basic medium. Water is neutral. That's why I'm adding water. Are you able to understand?
Right. Okay.
Water क्यों add कर रहा हूँ मैं? Because most of these reactions में solvent is water. So water is anyway there. So if you want to balance H and O, I'm using water. And also it does.
Yeah, but it says basic medium. It says nothing about being aqueous.
I mean, aqueous condition is it not possible in water? Anyway, water soluble basis.
So it is possible, but it's not mentioned.
So I mean, to balance that, you have to balance it is not mentioned, but it is there because it is not getting balanced. Are you able to understand?
So why can't you add any other compound?
Because first of all, you have to satisfy H and O on both sides.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So H2O will help you in that. That's the first thing. Second thing is it is neutral. It is not going to disturb the basic medium of the solution.
Oh, yeah.
And third, in most of these reactions, the solvent is water. So that's why we add water normally whenever we have to balance H and O. Understood?
So if you don't mind, could you give me one more question like this?
Like this balancing.
Yeah, like this balancing, so I can do it and send it to you after class.
I cannot give you now because I don't know. Getting?
Right. Okay. So I send you another thing about the acids that you cleared. So it's done.
Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, I can send you the question. You do one thing, type a message and tell me, can you give some examples? So I will see from a book and I will tell you some questions. I will give you a picture.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, then you can leave. Okay,
So
bye bye.
this is
Yeah.
actually nifty for determining whether which element is getting oxidized. It's so cool.
Yeah,
Thanks.
good to know that.